Alright, so my fingers are crossed that this is the right place. I think it's UPS. I could be wrong. Personally, I think this box is a little too big for it, but it's the OG box. I don't know. Just be like that sometimes. And we're gonna do the same, just like this. Just like that. Any sneaker reseller, just get a hot gun, because the hair dryer is okay, it'll do, but you're gonna want this. Yo, we back with another one. We got another ship out video. It's on some 9's. Let's see if I can get y'all a feel what it look like. I think it's the University Blues. Boom. I probably had these for like a week and a half. But they are 8.5. They are in good condition. It can't be something like that. I'll show you the other one right here. See if we can get you a better light. There you go. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these bagged up and get the plastic wrap on it. I'll go ahead and plug in this heat gun. I got a heat gun instead of a hair dryer now. Any sneaker reseller, just get a hot gun, because the hair dryer is okay, it'll do, but you're gonna want this. And then we're gonna plug this in also. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out 2 bags of these. And personally, I like to spray the inside of the shoes with disinfectant spray. I always do. Just do it just like this. I usually do one shoe and then put it in the bag and then close it and then go to the other one and spray it just so it can stay in the bag when I close it. But do it just like this. Right, I'm gonna wrinkle up this bag just like this, and then I'm gonna put the shoe in there. I'm usually just gonna seal it from here, here, and here. Alright, so I got this how I wanted it, and we're gonna do the same, just like this, just like that. So we're just gonna take this heat gun. Gonna go right in just like this. Got a big bubble again. It's kind of hard since I'm on this over here. Alright, let me get this right real quick. See, it's acting like it wants to keep this big old bubble. So all I do is just wait a couple seconds and I go back on it. Alright, so we got this one done. I'm gonna do this next one and then get it back in the box. Okay. Personally, I think this box is a little too big for it, but it's the OG box. I don't know. Just be like that sometimes. Let's find a box. Let's see if this fits. Oh yeah. That's a perfect snug. Smooth. Let's get some bubble wrap. I think I only need one. Honestly. Boom. Let's go ahead and close this up. Okay. We're gonna tape this up and go ahead and take this to the car because I have the label on my phone. It's a QR code. So I'll catch y'all at the car. Yo. Now we off. Alright, so my fingers are crossed that this is the right place. I think it's UPS. I could be wrong. But I do have the QR code. We are here, so that will be it on the video. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more, like and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, we out.